So today I'm going to explain about our distributed systems project. So we actually had to create a fire alarm system. So in that system, the basic idea is there's an apartment. That apartment there is floors and rooms. So in the room there is fire alarm sensors. So when a smoke level or a CO2 level goes up more than 5, uh, the admin should, I mean, the one who's administrating all the sensors should get an, I mean, we have to get an alert saying this flow number, this room number has sensor has gone up, so like a warning alert. So he also has to get a email to get email to his email warn or like a warning alert. So I'll explain you. For this we have created a simple web client, and then create the web client using HTML, and then I have created the APIs through the language called Laravel. So from that Laravel we have created the API. So for that, and then RMS created by the net we did it by NetBeans. So we use Java there. And to start it, let's start the Apache server. Then so first let me run this. So we have Laravel is based on PHP. Start as So this is the simple web client we have created for this. The client will be, I mean, the one who is having, he can check the sensor status. But then let's check the admin's dashboard. So to admin dashboard, we have first run this application. So let's we can see server ready. So let's start and sending the API request. You can see there's a response also coming back. So and then now we have to run the dashboard. So dashboard. Yeah. So when you run the dashboard, you'll get a user interface like this. So it says user login. But then before login, I'll show you how to register new. So when we go to register, and let's say, uh, let's say example address. We have to make a valid. Even give a valid email address, then only we can see are we getting the email or not. So give my email, phone number, and a password. It's registered. So we have got the right reason. That's why we got this back. Now let's say user login. So let's give the same thing we get the register. So example, and then password. So even if we give the wrong and if you can see they will be getting a error message. Okay. See here we are getting the request from here. Okay. See here. Sorry, login. Yeah, okay, it's one means okay. So we are given as 1 or 2. So this is the administrator dashboard, and you can see we have already. I mean, you can simply say. I'll show you. Let me minimize this. Okay, you can see simply we have these same details here also, and you can see this is deactive, and so the sensor is deactive is green. It's like okay, you're cool. and it's green. If you anything happens, it becomes red and it says active. So and then you get an email. Okay, so for example, I'll show you how to add things. So let me add a new flow. uh let's say second flow. Let's save it, and let's add new room, and we have to select the flow from here to second flow. Let's say room S01. Save. Okay, and then add new sensor. So second flow 01, and then let's give 01 to as a sensor name, and then description, let's give second flow S01. So let's save it, close it. Then you can see here you can see this is going, and second this has to get updated. So see, so this got updated in 10 seconds, and this got updated in 15 seconds. So you can see the new row has been added here, and then same here. So now let me show you that. So if it gets how we can make this active, I'll show you how we are going to get the email. So normally we don't have any. We don't have any hardware things to get those changes data. So we have to obviously change from the database. So database, yeah, yeah. So in the digital database of which are registered here. And then fire alarm sensors. Yeah. So see, so we have got this here, and then now I'll show you how to. I mean, so how we are. So how it turns red, and so press red and we get an email. So to make it, we have to make it more than 5. So let's say it becomes 8. What is this? 8, 9, whatever, 8 or 9, and you can see. So you can see, see, okay. So this got, so see, it says it's active, and it got active because you see the smoke, the sensor value has gone on to 9, so it has got active, and same here we got updated here. And now let's check, did we get the email? Yeah, we have got the email. So you can see warning, the S01 alarm has been activated. Please call 101 for fire emergency services. You can see S01 here. So this has got active. So this is the basic idea of our fire alarm system that we have made with an API and a RMI cell. So yes, so yeah, thank you.